Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to practice some Excel function from basic to advanced. And if you are the one who is going to watch my video first time, then guys, go first. Watch all the previous videos. That will be very helpful because you must have to learn from basic, from scratch. What you don't have, didn't learn anyhow, I have shared in my videos, and this is only for 15 minutes. You can easily watch and learn. So go first watch and then come. And right now you also can practice with us. So guys, let's practice. Today's all about Excel functions like sum, average, mean, max, and count, small, large. So we can, as I have told you, that we are going to practice from basic. Most of the people who are watching my videos, they can know the function what I'm going to share. So what I have shared, I just want to inform you guys that without having anything in your mind, just practice, and if you know already, then it will be helpful for revising. So if you are learning something, that it is always helpful. So just practice, and let's get started and let me inform you one thing, guys. If you are the one who wants to grow in your career and want to learn Power BI, Excel, and to create a dashboard that is needed and in a high demand in any company, you can also make, and you can also create that kind of dashboards and join any company you want to grow in your career. You can start. For that purpose, I am helping you that anyhow I can help to grow in your career, and if you are not, then also you can, it will be helpful in your learning journey. It will not also helpful for you guys, it will also helpful for your kids if you are the parents of any kids. So anyhow, so without delaying, let's get started. And I keep sharing about data analytics courses, guys. If you are interested, then comment me below and let me know that yeah, I am interested. Then I will also start practicing about Power BI, SQL, and Fury, guys. So don't take so much load. Just you have to step your one leg ahead to start and to learn. Just keep watching and keep learning. Don't think much. Let's get started. Our Excel classes of today. What we are going to learn. So guys, are you watching? Is it visible, my Excel sheet, as I have zoomed it to, it will be very clear if I zoom. So I have zoomed it by pressing Control and scroll up, scroll down. You can zoom in and zoom out. So I have done. So today we are going to practice about basic Excel formula like sum, average, minimum, how it can be done. So guys, as I have typing, I am going to type here some text like name. In the second, some subject like English, Hindi, math, and EVS. So this is like that. Here is the name of any person. You can, for example, Susma, Sanjay, Atiksh, Devans. So here I'm typing some number. This is randomly. There are nothing. You have to think much. You can type any number. This is an example I'm going to share. How can we practice? So for example, we had typed some number here. and so guys, here I have typed some number and name. Right now we are going to, as if you select this one, then you will get all the information about this cell. Here I am going to make you just, are you watching guys? Here some average is showing what I have selected here in the cell 9 English 996 66 41 23 of this cell. The number I have selected here is showing the average of that number. If you see in the status bar here, under the status bar you will see the average value without doing anything, and count 4. Count 4 means this is 1 2 3 4 4 column are there, that is called count 4. And sum, here is showing the sum. Are you watching guys? Yeah, sum means the addition of 99 66 41 23 is showing here as a sum. So without doing anything you can also get the information. And if you are if always this is not possible, this is for, helpful for single data, but if you want to work large data and you have to do on daily basis, so you must have to learn some formulas about that. Then guys, here we are going to learn, when you press is equal to sum, as you are watching that here is showing, it shows sum. So you have to just click it and press tab, it will come naturally, and you have to select this cell, this column, and just enter. Oh my god, what are you saying? Okay, I have done some wrong thing. Let's try it again. Is equal to SUM, this one, tab, and select this number, then close the bracket and enter. As you are showing guys, here is showing sum, and if you want to calculate as it is sum, so I have colored it, the text that it is the sum. And next I want to average, bring a work on the average. So how it can be calculated? So guys, see here, that is equal to AV, average. It has come average. So you have to just click the tab button to select, and you have to select this cell up to Devans and close the, sorry, it has become wrong. अभी पीटेंगे गोलू, जहाँ बदमाशी करेगा, रुक जा अभी. As we are going to function to practice function average, so is equal to average AVG, in bracket you have to select this up to Devans, then bracket, close the bracket and enter. Why it is not working? Okay, I didn't select it all the function average. I have written their short name AVG, that is the reason he is not taking, the computer is not taking. So is equal to AVE, here is coming, you have to select this one, what is coming in the notification average, and just press the tab button to select, and then select the column where you want to calculate the average, and just close the bracket and you will get the answer. Here is showing 57.25. This is guys average. And the next one is maximum. How we'll get the in that number, which one is maximum number? So here is will show is equal to max. From the button tab we have selected the max, and then you have to select this cell. Okay, so one thing I'm doing wrong guys, that I am doing all the person's number, but you have to, I'm just giving you an example, you have to work only for that person's number, what he have taken from 99, 75, 41, 71 in English, Hindi, Math, EVS, but I am taking overall persons. Okay, so it is wrong somewhere. You have to do with subject, with particular persons like Susma's, what is the average of all the subjects, what is the maximum number of the all subjects, you have to just take out like that. But I am giving you an example, I am practicing, so it is for that purpose. And enter. So guys, are you watching? In 99, 66, 41, 23, the maximum number is 99, the bigger number, so it is showing. So how it works, this is very easy, you have to just practice like that. Then we are going to learn minimum number. Which one is the smallest number, minimum? So just type is equal to mi, and what is showing in blue colors, you just click and tab, and then select the which one column you want to take out the minimum number. Just after selecting, close the bracket and press enter. It shows the answer 23 guys. Are you watching? So how it is working? The minimum number is 23 in 1966, 41 and 23. And count, what are the number of cell, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the number we can count? Is a count function we are going to learn. Count here is equal to count, count. Then what is showing in blue color, just click on that, tab and select the cell, close the bracket and enter. Here is showing, here it shows the count is 4, means there are 4 rows we are working on that column. There are 4 number of digit. So guys, this how it works. And if we are going to learn about guys, for today it is very for 10 minutes, for 5 minute practice, it will take to time practice. So just practice it and keep learning, keep signing. That's how without having so much time, by giving only 5 to 10 minutes, you can learn everything and you can rise in your career, you grow your career. So keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you, bye bye. For today it is enough. Just keep practicing throughout the week.